everybody. Hello. How you doing? How is your day? How is your morning? How is your evening? Wherever you're watching. So I'm Nichelle. This is the Wonder Galadi and Family channel. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this channel. For all the returning subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing and keeping it locked in this channel. So expect more exciting videos, more exciting content. And today maybe you're wondering, what the hell am I doing? So on today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make an easy, very easy, delicious sandwich. Stay tuned, and I hope you all try this because I'm using all the ingredients that you can easily get from around the places you stay. Stay tuned, subscribe, don't forget to like this video and comment. Hello guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm going to teach you how to make simple delicious sandwich. So these are the list of ingredients that you're going to use. First is cabbage, a quarter a cabbage. Second, yellow bell pepper. Third is a red bell pepper, commonly known as pilipili hoho. So you can go to ask for the red or yellow pilipili hoho. 4 garlic, 1 onion, carrots. You can pick as many as you like, but I prefer 4 to 6 carrots. Coriander, commonly known as dhania. So I forgot to add a list of ingredients that you're going to also need, like Blue Band, bread, eggs, and salt to taste. I'll add them in the description box so that anyone can access the list of ingredients. So today I'm going to make a simple made sandwich. I can make different varieties of food with simple ingredients. There are times I use spices, but most times I go for local because of my young baby and also because I love local taste. So what you'll need to do first is peel off the carrots, onions, and garlic. So I'm going to show you how I peel off my carrots step by step. I'm going to take you through step by step how I peel off my carrots, how I make all my ingredients. I hope you like this video. These are easy made sandwiches that you can make for anyone. If you want healthy breakfast or snack and you have no idea what you can go for, you can make these. And I promise you won't be disappointed with the results. It's the best snack when you have friends over. You can see how I prepare my carrots. If you like this content, if you like this video, please consider subscribing and please show me some love by clicking the thank you icon just under this video. Thank you guys. I love you all. So now I'm peeling off my onions and my red bell pepper and my yellow bell pepper. You can see how I make them. I prepare my pilipili hohos by removing the inside part, just like the way I've shown you. Then I peel off my garlic. I forgot to tell you the most important ingredient every food needs to have. The most important ingredient all the food needs to have is love. All the food you cook, all the snacks you make, all the juice you make, you need love. So now I'm going to show you how I'm shredding my cabbage. This is how my ingredients look like after I've peeled them. So now I'm going to shred my cabbage. going to show you how to shred your cabbage. Normally, this is how I cut my cabbage and carrots. If you like to eat small cabbages that have been cut into very small and thin pieces, this is how to do it. So this is how I shred it. This is how I make my cabbages. But whenever I cook supper, whenever I'm making snacks, whenever I'm making lunch, this is how I cut my cabbage. You can see how small it turns out to be. Look at the thin pieces. So the reason I say that the most important ingredient is love is because when you love what you're preparing, when you love the food you're going to prepare, the outcome is very, very delicious. The outcome will be very, 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 very delicious. So the most important ingredient of all is love. Love your food, love what you cook, love your kitchen, love everything. And nobody will ever complain of the food you're making. Nobody. So here I'm shredding the carrot and mixing it with the cabbage. Everybody tastes carrot whenever they make it, not the odd one out. So this is how I shred the carrot into the cabbage. Then I mix it with my own hands. These are clean hands. My hands are not that dirty. So the reason why I told you I prefer 5 to 6 carrots, it's because as you can see the salad, I love having more carrots in my cabbage, but not that much, just a little bit more than the cabbage. So shred the carrots into the cabbage. You can then put a pinch of salt and tomatoes if you like. Wow, the taste is just delicious. So now you cut all your onions into small pieces. This is how I cut my onions. Put it in your pan, wherever you're going to cook it from. Then now we cut our red bell pepper and our yellow bell pepper into very small pieces. I don't like them big, like I see in some hotels and some people who like it. I don't like seeing them in my food. Just like it's into small pieces. And like I said, guys, please show me some love by subscribing and clicking the thank you icon just under the video. Then I'm making my garlic. This is how I make my garlic till the texture you want it to be. I like it soft because my baby still can't doesn't have teeth to crush it, so I like it so soft, and I put it in my pan. After that, I also cut my dania into small pieces. I know some people don't, some people just leave it at that, but I cut it. And if you want me to show you how to locally store your dania so that it can't get spoiled, you can also comment down in the video below. Then mix some dania with your shredded cabbage, with your salad. I'm going to show you how all my ingredients look like after cutting them.
Alikuja kaka.
This is how all my ingredients.
Sasa mimi nakuja ndo naona anaanza.
Sasa ona Paul. The next step is
Amani waachie mpatie baba nilete.
frying our
Weke line yangu kwa hiyo
put your
simu.
onions and garlic.
Yeah,
Then you go in with your
yako
onion
iende
and
nikulie
pepper.
off.
Don't let it cook for long.
Mimi siwezi nikakuwa mteja.
Dania to the eggs and pour it on your pan. So I'm telling you, I forgot to record the steps I took. So don't forget, you first put your onions and garlic together, you fry it, then you add the This is how it looks. So delicious. This is the outcome. This is how it's supposed to look. So I went for this different look, but you can cook exactly the way you feel like you want it. But this is how mine turned out to be. Look at how delicious it is. So delicious and yummy. You will then put the eggs and your salad on the bread and toast it if you want, or you can leave it at that. If you leave it at that, it's also so delicious, but if you want to toast it, it's even more delicious. But for those who don't have a toaster sandwich maker, you can just put your eggs and your salad. Blue. And put your eggs and your salad, and it will turn out yummy. We love you guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you for keeping it locked at One Dangala DN. Please consider subscribing and show me some love by clicking the thank you icon just under this video. Till next time, guys. Bye.